Zone 3, Our Lady of All Nations. Zone 4, Our Lady of Providence. Zone 5, Queen of Peace. Zone 6, Mary, Spouse of the Holy Spirit. Zone 7, Mary, Star of the Sea. Zone 8, Mother of Priest and Priestly Vocation. And Zone 9, Mother of Divine Word.
So wow, pagkaanindot